My friends, here's some fun work that you can do. What's different in this row? Here's one that's the same, different. Oh, nope, same. This one's different. So you're going to circle the one that's different. Go through all these and figure it out. The next one is count and color the pizza. Practice writing your name on here. How many circles are there? Write it on here. How many rectangles do you see? Write the number here. How many squares? Write it on here. How many triangles? Write it on there. Have fun. And on this one it says, I like blank pizza. What flavor of pizza do you like? And then draw a picture of it. And be sure to write your name somewhere on this page. Have fun with it, friends. Bye.